Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Vivo supports split screen and having both apps ready. Open the first app, then swipe up or tap Recent Apps, find its app card. Once visible, long press the app icon or tap the split screen icon, depending on your model. This pins the first app to the top or left. Make sure the app you choose supports multi-window, some games and camera modes won't. Now prepare to add the second app to the other half. Once the first app is anchored, select the second app from Recent Apps or the app drawer to fill the other pane. You can drag the middle divider to resize each window. Do this to prioritize reading or typing. If you need, tap the three-dot menu on the divider for swap, maximize, or open in pop-up options. Use gestures or the back button normally. Both windows remain active. Keep performance in mind because too heavy apps may slow the phone. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the close/maximize option to restore a single app. If you encounter lag, force stop one app or restart your Vivo to free memory. That often resolves sluggish behavior. Make sure both apps and system software are updated to prevent compatibility issues. If split screen won't activate, check settings for multi-window permissions. Finally, restart the phone and retry. Most split-screen problems are resolved with a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.